Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Channel update coming right up. Got a lot to cover in this channel update, so we're going to get right to it. Last Sunday was International Drone Day, and I did put out a video regarding that. And I also asked people to go ahead and send in a favorite picture of theirs taken from their drone. Well, I've gotten quite a number of responses. Thank you so much, and I can tell you guys take some incredible pictures. It's still going to be open for submissions up until midnight on Friday, May the 11th, Eastern Time. So go ahead and still get those in. Send them to BillTheDroneReviewer at gmail.com. Everybody, I'll tell you what, you guys take fantastic shots with your drones. It's going to be great. It's going to be a treat for everybody to see that. So I'm real excited about that. I'm also going to get in the works, and I'm trying to work out the technical logistics of it, of being able, I use Dropbox, so I need to figure out exactly how to do that. And when we do, we're going to have you guys send in like a minute or less clips of video to do that as well. So we got that coming up. So once I get that figured out, I will be sure to let you guys know. Thank you everybody for watching Tuesday Night Rotor Talk Live. I can't tell you how much fun I'm having with that. Thank you all for your participation. It just blows me away how great you guys are, your great comments, your participation, and it's fantastic. We had a great talk about the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, the Mavic Pro 2, the Autel Evo, all things. It was just absolutely fantastic. Again, thank you all so much for your participation. It was fantastic. Even had, I believe, 1 or 2 from the UK. Now you have to realize this was 8 o'clock Eastern Time, and over there, I believe it's probably maybe like midnight or 1 o'clock in the morning. So you guys, kudos to you guys. And for my subscribers and viewers over in the UK and Europe, we had Sunday afternoon Rotor Talk Live last Sunday, and that was a huge success. Got a lot of participants from over in the UK and Europe, and I've even have somebody from Australia. So thank you guys for that. It was a success, and you can guarantee we're going to have that right now. I'm going to have that on the schedule at least twice a month, and if there's more interest, we'll definitely get out more of them because people really enjoyed that. That was fantastic. Also, I wanted to let you guys know, if you don't know already, I just created within the past couple of weeks a Bill the Drone Reviewer Facebook group, and I'm going to include the URL in the list in the description, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check that out. Now it's going to be for anything Autel and anything DJI related. It's a place for you guys to share. And one of the things that I like about Facebook groups is they're much better than the forums. The forums can be very hard places to get questions answered. There's a lot of negativity that goes on in regular forums. That is not here. There's a post that I have, the initial post that I have set up for the group lays out the ground rules. You know, one of my big ground rules is you're welcome to sell stuff on there, but you have to message me first or send me an email at BillTheDroneReviewer at gmail.com, and I'll be happy to review your request. And normally 9 times out of 10 I'll do it, but unfortunately a lot of times I get spam, and I have to delete those. But this group is for you. I want you guys to exchange your ideas out there. I want you guys to talk to one another. It's just a fantastic place to do that. And it's going to be, again, for all things Autel and all things DJI, it's going to be a fantastic place. So please, I think there's about 45 of you guys in there right now. Please sign up. It's a great place. Share your pictures, your videos. You have questions out there. Go for it. This is a kind of a way that I'm giving back to you guys for all your wonderful support for the channel. So again, that URL is going to be listed in the description, so you guys can definitely check that up and sign up for that. Also, there will be a contest announcement video this weekend. I do promise that. And I have a special guest who's going to deliver that video. So you guys need to watch, and it will be coming out this weekend. You guys will like it. I absolutely, positively promise that. I also have 2 toy drone reviews that are in the works, and I'm excited to get those out. The Elfie Plus, I thought that went real well, and I learned my lesson as far as toy drones are concerned in the wind. So going to try not to repeat that. The other thing is I have my 1-year anniversary coming up in June for Bill the Drone Reviewer channel. So we're going to have a lot of fun things going to go on here. And I've got to, you know, I got a lot going on for that. So we're going to have some fun. You guys will enjoy it. Again, I want to thank you guys all for your participation, for your great comments, for your encouragement. You guys are fantastic. You drive me to produce incredibly good content out there for you guys, and I'm passionate about it. I think you guys can see that. So again, I can't thank you guys enough. Keep, you know, your emails, your comments, you know, your likes on the videos. Guys, you guys are great. You guys are absolutely rocking my world right now. Thank you all so much. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account as well where I do post regular updates. Thanks so much for watching and happy flying.